Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up in DeepL Translator. Go ahead and open DeepL on your Chrome or Edge browser and you can see the login button. Go ahead and click login and you can click sign up. This way, write down your email address and press continue. Now go ahead and write down your desired password and make sure it is safe and click I want to receive updates like detailed news and personalized content if you want some updates. After that, click create account. This way, you have created yourself a DeepL account. I hope this video about how you can create yourself a DeepL account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.